Hey beauties, Waah Gwaan, what's poppin'? Welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. So since you guys know that we're in the month of October, so it's Bare Halloween stuff that we'll be doing. So in today's video, I'll be doing some pink nails with some slime dripping from the nail. Not dripping, but you'll see what I'm talking about. You guys also see the thumbnail, so you guys know what I'm talking about. And with some spider, web going across the nail. So I won't be talking heavily throughout this video, but I will definitely be explaining, what I'm doing throughout this video. So if you're new to Bare Beauty, hi, welcome. Thank you guys so very much for clicking on this video. I hope you subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your bell if you do subscribe, and comment down below like this video if you like what you see. So the acrylic that I'll be using for this video is called Ice Cream from the Mia Secret collection. I'll be using it in small quantities because this thing is very pigmented and very it dries fairly quickly, so I have to work fairly quickly. So I will ensure that these nails are straight, and I will repeat the method, going from the apex area, working that product down as best as I possibly can, because this product tends to dry fairly quickly. I can't stress on the fact that when the product has more color in it, it tends to dry a bit quicker than any other acrylic, like cover acrylic. So I apply it to the cuticle area. You don't have to have a routine as to how I did it, but because the acrylic came out a lot on the second application, I had to apply it to the cuticle because that's where it fits. So then I went back. So there's no wrong way or right way of doing this. You can do it anyhow you want, but this is not usually my thing of going at the apex and then going to the cuticle and then going to the tip. It tends to be from the apex to the tip to the cuticle area, or it can be from the tip, apex, cuticle area, or from the cuticle, apex to the tip. It really doesn't matter. So there's no right or wrong way to apply acrylic, but if you want to have more strength at the apex, you need to apply more product there. So I'm repeating this method on each of these nails. So after each nails were covered with moderate acrylic on it, I'll then go in with the clear. So with the clear is that it's adding more structure to my nails, because if you guys know, as I said, when colored acrylic is being applied, it tends to dry fairly quickly, and also when it's being applied to the nail, it applies a lot less thinner than cover acrylics. So that's why I'm adding more structure with the clear, going on the cuticle area, applying it all over the nail. So now I'll take my emery board, going from sidewall to sidewall, as I explained in previous videos or videos down the line, is that I tend to go in with my emery board because I want to remove the product off my skin and also to shape the nails. So I'm going from sidewall to sidewall, ensuring that I hold the emery board at a 90 degrees angle, ensuring that it comes out straight, because I don't like when my nails are looking like all over the place. So I will be using a 180 grit file. These files are the bomb. Let me get it off my chest. This nail file here that I'm using currently is the bomb.com. It was so easy to work with. It was so smooth. It got the job done. And I think I have been mixing up 100 and 180 for some time now, because I thought 180 was the rougher, the rougher grit, but I learned something new. So anyways, I'll be taking my e-file, going over the nails. I think this is also a 180 grit bit, so I'll be using that, going around the cuticle areas, down the line of the nail, on the sidewall, ensuring that each of these nails are straight to how I like it. So now we're moving on to the nail art aspect of this video. I won't be talking further throughout this video because this is just the nail art part. You guys learn by observing what I'm doing, and I hope you guys, learn. So if you have not already followed me on Instagram or TikTok, go ahead and do so, because I tend to post very recent videos on there. So do check me out and do follow me, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and turn on the bell so you get notified each and every time I post, because I upload twice a week, every week. I'm trying to get back to my schedule, but work, aside from this, work has been, a little bit crazy, and then my computer is acting up, so yeah, so you're not getting the content on time. So yes, so subscribe to my channel, tap the bell so you get notified each and every time I upload, because I upload twice a week, every week. And if you're new, subscribe, because content like these do come very regular. So yeah, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Guys, just before I go, I want you guys to let me know down below, if you want to let me know down below if you like these nails gloss or matte. So let me know down below, comment down below so I know. And so yes, bye guys, bye again, adios amigos, yeah.